Class 2 Environmental Studies. Children, today's topic is living in a family. Looking ahead, in this lesson you will learn about types of families, helping in a family, and my relations. So let's find out what are the types of families. Parents and their children make a family. The family members live in a same house. Now students, there are two types of families. One is nuclear family and the other one is a joint family. Let us learn about a nuclear family. What is a nuclear family? A nuclear family is one that has parents and their children. Every family has a family name which is called its surname. Let's learn about a joint family. A joint family has grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, and their children living together. Now, how can you help in a family? Let us find out who are the members who help in a family. Father. Father earns money and takes care of all the needs of the family. He helps children in studies. He also takes them out to have fun. Mother. Mother cooks food for the whole family. She helps children in their studies. She takes care of the entire household. Some mothers also earn money. Let us see how children can help their parents. You can see in the picture how the children helping their parents in their household work. Children should also help their parents. They can do some small jobs at home. Now students, let us learn how we are related to our family. All the members of a family are related to each other. Father's father is called grandfather. Father's mother is called grandmother. Mother's father is called maternal grandfather. Mother's mother is called maternal grandmother. Mother's father's brother is called uncle. Mother's father's sister is called aunt. Uncles and aunts' children are called cousins. So children, I hope you learn all the relations, how you are related. Now let's come to the exercise of this chapter. Answer the following questions. What is a nuclear family? You have to write in one line. What do you understand by nuclear family? Second question is, what is a joint family? Write down in one line, what do you understand by a joint family? Third question, write any 4 activities you do to help your parents. You have to write 4 lines about whatever activities you are helping with your parents. Write the name of your mother, father, brother and sister. Write their names and learn the spelling. Thank you.